The heroes of Siachen glaciers. So, Assalamu alaikum students, we are here with our chapters, The Heroes of Siachen Glacier. Now, here we are going to talk about some soldiers who were martyred. Martyred matlab they were dead, and the better way to address them is martyrs. Soldiers are always addressed in such a way because they are the pride of our country. So, as you see, this is a funeral, and here this picture shows that a broadcast is happening, or a news coverage is taking place. What is the coverage taking place? This is the funeral of the demise of a brave soldier. Okay, the story starts like this. Now let's go back to the flashback. The story here mentions about the Siachen Glacier. The Siachen Glacier is a military outpost at about 5,400 meters above sea level in Siachen. You can understand this like this. Like, this is the mountain and this is your sea level. Okay, so this is your sea level. So from here, this is your sea. This can be a sea. This is 5,400 meters above the sea level. जो भी एक sea का level है, it is 5,400 meters. If you go and sit and calculate, it becomes very tall. Now, what about the Siachen Glacier? The Siachen Glacier is in the Himalayan mountain. Now, when you go to see here, this is the Himalayan mountain, okay? And it forms a border between Pakistan and India. Where is Siachen over here? Yes, see, this is your Siachen Glacier, okay? And this is our Jammu and Kashmir. Now, in दोनों के बीच में, this is the India and Pakistan के border के बीच में, this छोटी सी area is our Siachen Glacier. Here, military people stay over there. Now, this story is about an avalanche which happens. What is an avalanche? An avalanche is when a large amount of snow just comes down, rumbling down with a deafening noise. Deafening noise मतलब ऐसी noise होती है कि nothing can be heard. Very loud also, and you cannot hear anything. And over there, 10 soldiers were deployed. Please remember that, because it is there in your fill in the blanks. There were 10 soldiers deployed, and they were there for how many months? Remember, 3 months, okay? And in very, very bad weather conditions, they had to wear special suits to keep them warm. And this avalanche comes down, and they were singing Rang De Basanti Chola, and everybody is engulfed inside that, because when the avalanche comes, it is like 25 feet deep. Okay, they are buried 25 feet deep, as big as a school building. Okay, so much deep inside. Now everybody is buried. So everybody is thinking nobody is alive. Now, as soon as this operation takes place, or this calamity takes place, the disaster management comes. The disaster management is a unit which is, it can be in every state also, it can be in a country also. On a larger scale, it becomes on a country level also, and every city, state also has its disaster management committee, which looks after all these calamities which happen. Now, these people come, and the rescue operations have begun, and there are dogs, there are army, there is air force, and they have used what? Chainsaws. It is all mentioned over here. Chainsaws, they have rescue dogs, air force, and army. Now, out of all of this, so it is certain that all the 9 soldiers are dead, and somewhere as a miracle, they find one soldier. Okay, one soldier is found, and that soldier, how he is found? He is found because he is saved from death because of the air pocket. Now, what happens, children, when that snow must have fallen? At some point, it mustn't have gone deep inside that. So the snow and the man ke beech mein, there was a pocket of air. That pocket of air saved that man, but it can be very dangerous also. If the pressure is very low, you will not be able to breathe, and you can die also. But miraculously, that man is safe for some time, and he is airlifted to a hospital in Delhi. As you know, now these 9 soldiers are dead and a state funeral is happening. Okay, and they are given what you call, they are saluted, and they are all the nation, everybody is praying for them, and this is the salute that is given to them, and they are no more. But again the news comes that even that one soldier who was alive is dead. His whole family is very sad, but at the end of the day, what matters is that these people put their hearts, their soul, their families, everything at stake for the safety of our country. So this story is about those 10 soldiers, okay, who laid their lives in the Siachen Glacier, and it is called as a no man's land. You know, वहाँ पे जाना बहुत मुश्किल है. Conditions have become so harsh. If you go on to see some good videos, you will find some nice documentaries regarding this Siachen Glacier. There are people reporting live also from there if you go to see. So this is a tribute to those. This chapter, this is a tribute to those 10 soldiers who lost their lives at the Siachen Glacier. So I hope you have understood the lesson. Happy learning.